Hey guys, what is the haps today? So, I guess this is a picture. Bring to you Gordon Beers and Foster's. Okay, so without further ado, found this out, not the hard way, but I ended up, the first time I did it, I plucked it with a bottle opener. Come to find out that it's twist off. So. Oh, geesh. Why that happened, I do not know. Gosh, damn. Oh well. What the fuck? Alright, we gonna stop now? Come on. Oh, damn. Fucking got everywhere. So I have been out of commission for the past while because I've been working a 72-hour work week. And if you're wondering how that's even possible, try 6 12-hour days. So I am looking for one hell of a paychecks. And I got some great things coming. Never before seen. At least I don't think so. On the likes of YouTube. Oh, and this beer is Marzen beer. If you don't know what that is German. It's Oktoberfest beer. That's what it is. So you go into America and you're like, oh, Oktoberfest. You don't actually know it's Marzen beer. And this Foster's comes out of a 12-pack of bottles. And it's quite good. I love Foster's, and this stuff is not actually made in Germany. It's made in California, and but it's the exact same formula that they use in Germany, but it's made year-round. So it's good. One of the things is, if you haven't seen my hidden message video, check it out. You'll find out what that is all about. And it deals with band episodes that I'm going to be working on. One band episode that you guys probably don't realize know that it exists. I'm not going to tell you the show. One band episode, and you probably don't realize that it was banned. It's no longer banned to my knowledge, but it was. So it has to deal with, they got banned for stupid reasons. Absolutely no sense whatsoever. Well, I guess it could have some merit. That's really about it, for that episode. But it was, it has to deal with New York. Maybe you people that know, what this is will know. But, it was banned at one time. A funny episode because I am from New York. Not New York City, state of New York. There's other regions besides New York City. Oh! That's so mind-boggling. Everyone seems to think, oh, you're from New York City, where's your accent? Well, just so you know, New York City is not the only city in New York. And in case you didn't know, there's only one team in the state of New York. Look that one up. So, got some great things coming. I shall see you later.